So I'm at 98 Stripes and I'm just heading to my tent and I'm very excited to see. Those are the two beautiful people who organized this wellness retreat. And I'm going to show you lots more in the next 2 days. So stay tuned and keep watching. So the wellness retreat is organized by Nakul, who also runs Renovatio Foundation, which is very exciting. And I'm in Tadoba. Tadoba, you guys know, right? It's a national park near Nagpur. Okay, I'm excited to see the tent now. Hi, look at my room. It's so pretty. Thank you, Bhaiya.
Thank you.
That's me. Hello. So I'm in Tadoba National Park at the moment at the resort called 98 Stripes, and I'm currently doing a 2-day wellness retreat. It's called Soul Connect and it's organized by Renovatio Foundation. Nakul, you're doing a fabulous job. I'm very excited to show you guys how this wellness retreat turns out. So stay tuned and keep watching. Muffin, bye. See you.
हाँ शायद आप हाँ 220 भेजा है.
So after checking in, we went straight for lunch. 98 Stripes Tadoba is a very beautiful property and the lunch was absolutely amazing. So I'm just heading for lunch. I'll show you the games area as well. I'm going to the games area. That's where we played pool, carom and enjoyed some downtime reading. Winter vibes, right?
चना डाले और वो मसाला गोभी है और वो लहसुनी आलू बैंगन है और साथ में डिस्को पापड़ और पराठा है.
डिस्को पापड़. डिस्को पापड़ और दूंगी यार. सच में नाचने की इच्छा है.
दीदी आप ना प्लीज ये ले.
That's me after lunch, just enjoying myself, pausing and unwinding. Then we went to check out all the vegetables growing in their farm behind.
झाड़ बनता है तो मल्टीपल चीजें. थोड़े से खट्टे मीठे टाइप के.
So I'm ready for the night and this place is so beautiful. It's so cold in Tadoba right now.
Okay. So there has been studies also now being done that because of this, like Parsi community.
मैं कर रही हूँ. It's Kadha time at 12 a.m. So we just finished a fabulous yoga session and now it's breakfast time.
Excited.
That's my friend Ayush,
Yeah.
which I met on the retreat, by the way.
Hello, peeps.
He's a 25-year-old techie. If you all want to get your
Any AI thing, any AI agents?
AI bots बनवाने हैं तो इसको मैसेज करो.
I'm bad with camera.
Meet my new friend that I made again at the retreat at 98 Stripes Tadoba. Hey, Sonali.
Hi, good morning. So I'm Sonali here, and I've just checked in day before yesterday at Tadoba, and it's the most amazing place or the resort that I could have stayed in. Absolutely fantastic, and I'm enjoying every bit of my stay here. Along with the safaris, and the best part about it is their food.
मुझे लगता है सिद्धा अपने को शगुन के साथ एक आध महीना रहना चाहिए, अपने भी डीएनए में आ जाएगा।
सही में आदत हो जाएगी।
हाँ
कौन सी खिचड़ी खा रहे हो आप?
पता नहीं, पर टेस्टी खिचड़ी है।
That's our coach, by the way.
यस, थैंक यू, बाय।
So ma'am, this is our Satvik thali. So there's some corn palak ki tikki, this one. Then we have the beetroot poriyal. Then we have our lauki chana ki sabzi. Then we have green moong dal. Then we have our ajwaini kofta, along with some disco papads and some fulkas.
Thank you. So we're in the middle of our reflection time right now. We've given 15 minutes to really think. और इंटरेस्टिंग क्लास चल रही है, मेरा टेंट है पीछे. In the evening, we played some games to understand self-reflection and self-awareness. They help us increase our focus and also made us play games that increase our attention span, which was quite fun. And this foundation helps a lot of souls spiritually. They have a lot of students that they're teaching as well, which is amazing.
तीन चीजें क्लियर है. स्टार्ट.
Are we randomly forming the pattern?
पैटर्न फॉर्म।
पहला वाला बढ़िया था.
मैंने पैटर्न भूल चुका हूँ.
रीस्टार्ट करें?
नहीं चलने दो ना, कैच करो और फेंको बस.
अभी लेकिन रूल है ना कि अपन रूल नहीं बना सकते.
ओके ठीक है. अब क्या हुआ? आप पैटर्न क्यों भूल गए?
दूसरा बॉल आने के बाद मुझे याद ही नहीं आया कि मैंने पहला बॉल किसको भेजा था.
आपका ध्यान कहाँ था?
पता नहीं, शायद बॉल पकड़ने में था.
पकड़ने में था. ठीक है. I noticed that you were standing waiting.
Yeah. So
For ball
yeah,
to come.
because I noticed the pattern. पहले हुआ क्या था, and एक गलती यहाँ से हुई, नहीं एक गलती वहाँ से.
And I was super hungry again by the time all the classes got over, so we had some yummy शकरकंदी चाट. फिर टाइम आ गया मेरे फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ द विंटर्स का, बॉनफायर नाइट. उस दिन रात को meteor shower भी था and we were just sitting under a sky full of stars. It's super cold and now I'm heading for dinner because we have some Satvik Bhojan organized. Very excited to show you guys whatever I'm eating.
स्पून.
Hello.
हाँ, पर क्योंकि हमारा ध्यान पूरा इस गेम में था और थोड़ा सा शायद मेरे अंदर क्या हो रहा है, मैं क्या गलत कर रहा हूँ, मुझे क्या फील हो रहा है, उस पर था. तो
हमारा सात्विक भोजन हो गया है. हमने इतने टेस्टी करेले खाए जो करेले जैसे लगे ही नहीं. और अब मैं अपनी कोकोनट बर्फ़ी फिनिश कर रही हूँ जो मैं शेयर करने नहीं वाली हूँ किसी के साथ. एंड श्रद्धा इज़ knitting with me on this table. This girl is super interesting, super fun, and she's the one who organized this trip in the first place. So thank you so much for this.
We are loving having you and all of you guys in it. It's amazing.
And I'm going to attach the caption, the link of Renovatio as well, of her work and how she's educating so many children, making a difference. So do check it out. And anything else you would like to add before we conclude the video?
No, I think everybody should really do something for themselves, also for others. At the same time, the most important part in our life is to be aware, first of all, about really how we are living. That's the first step, and then the next will follow. It's like the engine that will drive the rest of the train. So I hope you find that engine, or you fuel that engine more and more for yourself. And we are here in that journey to guide you if you need.
I know this was a vlog, but it was on Breakthrough. So any advice on for younger children or younger people watching this who want to become a volunteer at your foundation, or take it ahead with you?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I can advise, but what I can say is that unless and until you don't really form this emotional intelligence in yourself, I don't think in the AI world you're going to survive. So if you really wish to build that, you should volunteer, you should come and spend time with children. Also learn the whole process of understanding yourself, self-awareness, inquiry, critical thinking, and so much more. And this will come through, of course, coming and joining and attending sessions and conducting sessions for children, and you'll love it, I'm sure. I'm very, very sure.
Thank you. Thanks for
Yes.
watching, guys. And you all know what to do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Bye now. Let me enjoy my birthday.
Bye-bye.
See you.